I'm Morgan Lunn, and I am the founder of Girl Gang Goodies, which is an online cookie delivery service in Toronto. Literally, it was January 26th, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start a company. Then I was thinking, okay, well, I need to launch, and I decided on Valentine's Day, which was, almost 2 weeks away. And I was like, okay, well, I have to create a logo. That's the number one thing I have to create. So I start creating like an identity that people can recognize, because I'm gonna start polluting everyone's feed on social with my new brand. So when I was thinking about the design, it definitely had to be recognizable, also something that I could design, because I wasn't gonna make anything too crazy. Our eyes love round shapes. It's how our eyes rest, so I knew I wanted it to be round. I had a great experience using Looka. I just went on and made it that day and was like, okay, now I have it. And the best part of it was getting the brand guidelines, so I could repurpose like the Pantone color number in everything that I made, and find the font and all the different file formats. Like, I use those weekly when I'm sharing my logo with different partners, because they always want different sizes. It was already fit for my social feeds. Like, it was very low amount of work for me. I had to do no resizing, which was great, because I could just focus on creating the website and the rest of the business that needed to come in 2 weeks. Often when I'm delivering the cookies, majority of them are surprise. People don't know they're getting them. And I know I'm the best moment in that person's day.